If you have faced stiffness or pain in your neck after scrolling on your phone or sitting at your desk for too long, that is dead neck. Namaste everyone, my name is Shreya and I am here to give you 6 simple yoga techniques that can help you ease dead neck.
Sit tall, gently drop your chin and start slow circles with your head, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Move mindfully. This is all about releasing tension and not forcing it. Tuck your chin slightly in, like you're making a double chin. Hold for a few breaths. This strengthens deep neck muscles and realigns your posture. Inhale, arch your back and lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and drop your head. Flow with your breath. Slide one arm under and rest your shoulder and head on the mat. Feel the stretch in your upper back and breathe into that space. Do the same on the other side. Knees wide, forehead down. Let your whole body soften. Lie back over a cushion or a bolster so your chest can gently open. Let your arms fall wide and melt into stillness.
Start with 5 minutes a day. It will make a huge difference. Also, please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to give your neck the love it deserves. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shreya, and I'll see you on the mat.